So there is a lot going on in this problem. They're telling us that the length of the minor arc AB is 4 pi, and that's just 1/8 of the overall circumference of the circle. Now, before we go on and read the second sentence and start to get even more confused, let's go ahead and start translating these mathematical words into an actual equation. So watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to say that 4 pi is 1/8 of the overall circumference of the circle. Now, the reason I did that is because notice any form of the verb to be, so is, am, are, was, were, is equivalent to equals, and of means to multiply. So let's go ahead and find the circumference. The way that you can get rid of the 1/8, technically you could divide by 1/8, but you could also multiply by the reciprocal of 8, and we'll do that on both sides. The 8's cancel, and you get the circumference is 32 pi. Then it says if the area of the shaded region is a pi, what is the value of a? Okay, now in case you don't know the formula for the area of a circle, you could go to the upper right to the reference document, and you'll see both the area formula is pi r squared and circumference is 2 pi r, which actually will come in play in this question. Okay, so we'll take the area is pi r squared. Now, an important thing to notice is they're talking about the area of the shaded region. Now, remember, that's 1/8 of, meaning times, the overall area. And they want to find the value of a when we know that that area is a pi. So let's replace a with a pi, 1/8 pi. Oh, but I don't know the radius. Can I figure that out? We can, because we know the circumference is 32 pi. Well, let's go down here because I'm running out of space. Circumference is equivalent to 2 pi r, as we saw. We'll divide both sides by 2 pi, and then notice we get 16 for r. We'll put that here, and then let's go ahead and put this in our calculator. However, we're not going to put in the pi for now. You'll see why. I'll do alpha y equals, or I can use Desmos, same idea. We'll type in 16 squared, and then we get 32. So if this is 32 pi is equal to a pi, then to get a by itself, you divide both sides by pi. And we get a is 32.